Smile. What is your name?
Lucian.
How old are you, Lucian? 3
I am 2
years old. Okay, face to your right. Gayahin mo ako. Pagaya mo ako, baby. Ganito. Harap mo yung katawan mo doon, no? Yung body mo doon. Yan. O, harap ka naman sa kabilang side. Harap ka na sa akin sa camera. Okay, o, backward ka, Lucian. Yan. O, marunong ka ba kumanta? Anong kakanta mo? Ha? What makes you beautiful? O, sige nga. Sing. Under the light of Okay. O, kunwari, you're eating the hamburger. Pag sinabi kong action, kunwari, kakainin mo. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay, o, stand straight lang, Lucian. Yan. O, huwag masyadong malikot, ha. O, ulitin mo. Action. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay, ulitin mo pa nga. Mas masaya, mas happy. Oh, you eat again? So yummy. Okay, pretend ka naman you're sad kasi you're hungry. Say, Mommy, I'm so hungry. Oh, one more. Say it again. Mommy. Okay, can I see your smile? Okay, stay ka lang, baby. Stand straight lang. Huwag masyadong malikot. Okay, let me see your sad face. Your happy face.